guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Burna Boy's girlfriend, Steph London, officially initiated to the Malians gang. Burna Boy's girlfriend, Steph London, has officially been initiated to the Malians gang after she tweeted about Naira Marley's new song. Steph London is in love with Naira Marley's track, Tesumole, and she can't keep calm about it. The rapper, who is currently having a swell time with her boyfriend in Nigeria, took to her Twitter page to simply tweet Tesumole, and fans went wild. They flooded her comment section and begged her to make a video of herself dancing the now famous dance steps, while others used the opportunity to welcome her to the Marians family. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below.